That's
Can I get a double cheeseburger, but single patty only?
Yeah, what size would you like that?
Large, please. And instead, curly fries.
Going camping. Check it out.
Going glamping.
Look how much shit we have.
We're on our way to pump gas and meet Apesters. This is how I'm riding the whole way. And there's traffic, so it's like a 5.5 hour drive, so. Okay, here.
And in the car at all times, please.
We fucking made it.
We need it.
We made it. We almost chunked it. Hey.
That's Simon.
Why is his name Simon?
I don't know. He looks like a Simon.
Here you go.
We had a little hiccups last night, but it is what it is. We're at a different campground, so we're cooking some breakfast. Cheers. There's some bacon, some potatoes, more bacon, and we're gonna cook some eggs right now. This is my friend Liz. So what's up, Liz?
Bro, what's up? There's a fire. Bro, your knee.
My knee?
Yeah, the fire's like right here.
Oh.
Here, let's sit on this side.
Yeah, you're right.
The wind's blowing that way.
And this is shade.
Yeah. There you go, sir. Taking a break, taking my 15.
Let's take a shot.
I'm down. Yeah?
My boy.
That's mine. Are we all taking a shot?
We out here. Hell yeah. Yes, we are. It is 11:15. It's 5 o'clock. This is Alex, crazy Alex right here.
From Redwood.
Saludos.
Cheers. Time for breakfast. Ooh, so we're taking a little hike. Well, not a hike. We're walking down to the river. And it's fresh here. Look at me. Cheers, babe. It's picture time. Come on, puppy.
We're in a panorama, guys.
We gon' sing this campfire river song. We gon' dance along. Come on.
Everybody.
Listening to the stream as it goes by.
Oh my
Bye.
god.
Motherfucker, we just waiting to get high, high, high.
Get it. Were you trying to rock like that?
Hell yeah.
So we're just chilling. It feels like fucking 4 p.m., but what time is it? Only
148.
Barely.
barely.
What did you guys say?
Hey guys. Say hi. What up? Cheers, cheers, cheers. Let's go.
There's a lanyard already, and you can use it twice, so it doesn't
Use
count.
the word more than once.
Yeah, nope. You can't.
You use drink and drunk.
Those are two different
Those are
They're the same shit.
those are different words, sir.
different
Categories.
Number 8. Things you can squeeze. Titties. Oh,
With the L.
I couldn't fucking get it.
Hi, the map. Hi, Phil.
Good, man.
Here you go. It's a line.
Ends up in lost and found.
Pick luggage.
Luggage? Yeah, that's a good one. Sure. Amy, you're not saying any.
Labradoodle.
Hey guys. What's
It's
up?
a it's a Listerine.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Ew, that's so ugly. Don't ever do that again in your life.
What?
You know what they say about heady drinkers?
What did I say? No. It's for me?
Yes.
Oh, she's just waiting.
Let's see what we got going over here.
I don't remember where I placed it at.
You guys want to see something?
You want a Tito shot in the meat chest?
Good, 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 good. Honestly, I'm not. Oh my god. I'll be right back.
Okay, come back. Dad, what are you doing?
Myself and I look stupid.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to look decent.
Dad, you look fine. We're in the middle of the woods. No one cares.
Come on. I don't even have eyebrows on.
You know, what do you need eyebrows for?
It's rolling. What do you gotta say for yourself? Okay, okay. What do you have to say for yourself? Hey! What do you have to say for yourself?
How's the meat look?
Okay. Okay.
We're trying it for you. We're trying it for you.
Trying it? What do you have to say for yourself?
Pretty proud.
Good, good.
You got what do you got to say about yourself?
I always have to say, but just no one ever asks.
It's always what you doing.
Not how you doing.
It's never not how you doing.
Hola, vida, yo te quiero. Oh my god. Look at these boulders. These are nice boulders. I'm actually down now.
Let's go.
Hey.
I don't know what I'm.
Take it. Can't go 50-50 with no hope. Where you going? What the fuck? Why is he being low now?
That rock was put there for a reason.
Salsa.
Oh, what up? Hey, numbers.
I'm excited.
I don't know where we're going, but we going.
I want one right there. That's cool though.
We hiked all the way up this bitch. Good job, babe.
Fucking did it.
But the fun part is getting down this motherfucker. Look how high we are. Look how it's way over there. Alright, so AB, Alex, and Liz left. It's just me and my babe. We're gonna be leaving tomorrow. And we have so many people around us. Look at dead.
And it's quiet as fuck. You can literally hear everything. You can.
Ooh. No.
I'm gonna throw it in the bag right there.
She's not making it in the bag.
I'll pick it up later.
Can you give it to a bear? Bears can't have chocolate. What you gonna do for love? You trying everything. You know what I'm saying?
Sing it, baby.
What you gonna do for love? Can you guys hear me over the AC?
Cloudy. So that's kind of getting me worried.
Yeah, that doesn't look too reassuring up there.
We've been stranded here for 3 months.
We have no food, no water, only fucking hazes. She left me since she said she's gonna pick me up on Saturday.
But I'm here.
But it's fucking Sunday.
Yeah, his ass is staying. I'll pick you up on Wednesday, babe.
Babe, do that. Please.
Honestly.
Please, if you let me. Go.
I'll leave?
No. No, if you no.
What?
If you let me go.
What? You said so.
That was so good.
Oh my god, I'm
Okay,
so sunburned.
You did now.
No,
Come on, please,
no more.
please, one more time. Come on, baby.
Stop putting me on the spot.
I'm not.
I'll
Come
do it
on, do it for the
naturally.
people one time.
No.
Babe, come on.
Wow.
Like this.
Hold on.
Like this. Don't fucking laugh.
I'm not doing that.
Do that.
You're on your own, pal.
Don't fucking make me do this by myself. You said if I would do it, you do it.
I never said shit.
You
I
said-
said nope.
See, guys, that's what I'm talking about. If only you could see what's holding you.
He bought that shit from Wish.
No, I did not. From Amazon Prime Day. But see that laugh? Aw, baby. She's so pretty, guys, but don't look too fucking long.
It's sick. Babe,
What are you doing?
I'm leaving. I'm in the island.
It's the island.
Help.
Okay.
Have you ever like, if she could, we could, she could, have you ever like,
What's up, Rock? This is Dwayne Johnson right here.
what is that?
Yeah.
That sound.
It's cricket base.
Let's just go. You wanna go back to the campsite?
Ooh. Hey, hey.
Aw.
So this is what we got going over here. We got some chicken. Ooh, we got some meat sauce. Some oodles and noodles over there. Some penne. And we're about to make fucking chicken penne pasta, dude. Look at me. Look at me. In the middle of the woods.
Hey guys, what up? We're just packing up now. Just gotta do a goodbye shot. What?
You down, babe?
Cheers, babe. It's camping. So yeah.
Okay, wait, one more?
One more?
One more.
Shit, it's fun.
Shit.
Giddy ass shot. I start the shot.
Here, you have hella Henny left.
This is mine. I do have hella. That's yours. I poured you in.
Oh,
You said shot.
that's a fucking goat. Back to work.
Honestly. We just have we took the canopy down. We took most of the trash out.
Oh.
Okay, last shot of the day. Of the morning. It's only 10:31. Ahaha. Might as well kill the whole damn bottle.
You can keep the fan self-pity.
This is literally my breakfast. I haven't ate shit. This one's for the people who watch me. Shouts out to you. Not gonna lie, I'm kind of buzzed. So yeah, everything's up and loaded. Say goodbye, friends. It's a good trip. It's a good trip.